Welcome home to this charming estate at 9556 Gunnies Drive in Kodak. With 4 bedrooms and 3.5 baths, you'll enjoy over 3,300 square feet of absolutely luxurious living space in a most peaceful neighborhood. Take in the exquisite hardwood flooring throughout the main level. And the living room is centered by a gas fireplace framed in a large window for natural light. The island kitchen is a chef's dream, featuring stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, and a stylish backsplash. Of course, you can enjoy your meals at the island or the breakfast nook. And this coffered ceiling sets off the perfect design in the formal dining area. Take your meals outside to this patio with fireplace, a serene space for relaxation. Talk about spacious! Your master on the main offers rich styling and comfort, and the master bath features this freestanding tub, dual sinks, and tile shower. It's all complete with a walk-in closet. In fact, all your bedrooms on the main and upstairs provide a high level of comfort. Upstairs is also home to this giant bonus room, the perfect media center, or a second living room. And take in tremendous closet space throughout. Filled with features near nature at 7 Island State Birding Park and Island Pointe Golf Club, 9556 Gunnies Drive in Kodak awaits your private tour. Call Tina Collins Hefner of LeConte Realty direct at 865-705-2451.